In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create gift certificates and subscriptions, then update a client's order code. We'll start on the main dashboard. On the left side, scroll down until you see the section labeled Packages, Gifts, and Subscriptions, and click it to open those options. From here, choose New Gift Certificate. Give your certificate a clear, recognizable title so clients know exactly what it's for. Next, set its access level. Public makes it visible for anyone to purchase. Private keeps it hidden so you can share it only with specific clients, and unavailable is useful if you're preparing it in advance or pausing sales. Enter the price, and if you want the offer to be time limited, add an expiration date so buyers understand when it must be used. Under Redeemable For, specify what the gift certificate can be applied to, and if you want it to work across your entire service menu, you can select all applicable appointment types. When everything looks right, click Add Gift Certificate to save it. Now let's set up a subscription. Click Add New Subscription. Give the subscription a title that clearly describes the recurring benefit. Add the price and define the billing interval, such as per month or per week, so clients know how often they'll be charged. If the subscription runs for a set time, choose the number of billing cycles. If not, leave it open-ended as needed. You can also add an initial setup fee if there's a one-time cost to get started. To keep clients informed, check the box to send a subscription renewal reminder and set it to send every subscription billing cycle so they receive a heads up before each charge. As with gift certificates, choose what the subscription is redeemable for to avoid any confusion about what's included. When you're ready, click Add Subscription to finalize it. With those items in place, let's review and update a client's order. Open the client section, then click the client's name to view their profile. Scroll down until you find their orders, and click View Order to see the details. Locate the code associated with the order and click it to open the editor. Make your changes carefully. This might be used for redemption or tracking, then click Update Code to save. That's it. You've created a gift certificate, set up a subscription with renewal reminders, and updated a client's order code, all in a clean, repeatable workflow.